What's up, Scratchers? Scratchy here, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a character talk, not by text to speech, but with talk bubbles. So you must have seen in many comics, that these people are talking, but there's a talk bubble where the words are written, which shows what they're saying. So yeah, we're gonna learn how to do that in Scratch. So first we'll take a character. Then we must go to looks, which is the violet colored blocks. I'll drag a say hello for a 2 seconds block. And yeah, there's another thing in comics that if you see a person who's talking, then a straight line will go up to the talk bubble, which means they're talking. But if they think, then the bubble will be all cloudy, and the line, which is a straight line in the talk bubble, it will be little circles. So yeah, we're gonna drag a say hello for 2 seconds block. We're gonna click on it, and this is what happens. You can change the time to 3, 4, 5, anything you want. I'll just keep it 2 and say hello. How are you? Good. And I'm gonna click on this block. Cool. And then I'm gonna go to events and drag a when green flag clicks block. So this block's function is basically that when I press this green flag here, the program starts on its own. If you have many programs, like not a program in one block, like if you have this program here, then you have like another one here, and you don't have the when green flag clicks block attached, it'll be a bit of a problem to start all the programs at once, like this and this. It'll be pretty hard to click both of them at once. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a when green flag clicks block so the program starts on its own and in the same time, unless you put time on your own for like wait this much seconds. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna put a cool. Then we're gonna use a think. Here is a think block and a say block. I'm gonna drag in a think one. This is the say block. I'm gonna let me say think for 2 seconds. You see the difference between this and this? Yeah, so that's it. And you can change this too from to okay. So here is what we need to do. The legit plan. We're gonna click on the green flag. You can put this in order. I'll put only in the think block, and I'm going to cut the rest, cut it, and drag in a say hello for 2 seconds block, and I'm going to delete this and paste it, and this is what the result is. So that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel. I'll see you next time.